Bespoke, the refrigerator built to your taste. But how? Choose your color and material. Find a style that perfectly matches your taste. And change combinations as you live. Living single? Then keep it simple. Couple together? Add a flex compartment. If your kid keeps growing, your fridge should too. Different tastes? Then store separately, so smells don't mingle. Wow, such a full table. Better get the full package. And change combinations as you live. Because it's okay to be fickle. Easy, right?
I've been waiting for too long. Like a suit and a tie, we fit together. You're my favorite color. Green.
Life, taste, and space. It fits them all.
I've been waiting
Bespoke,
for too long.
made to your taste.